robot vacuum cleaner. Filter, these are brushes, 4 brushes. Put it together. And we'll go plug this into the wall. When you hear a click, it means the side brushes is in place. In place. Next, we're going to turn on the robot. I means on, O means off. There. This is obviously your little cleaning bin. Tidy up the room, gather up any miscellaneous items. Start right there, and it'll take off. Okay, that's a replacement filter. And then this is your little dustbin. Okay, let's see what she'll do. Here you go. Move your foot. She detected your foot.
Wow.
Red light means she's got to find her home base. Let's see if she can do it. First, we'll clean some other stuff. A lot of cobwebs. Okay, and she's going home. Needs to be recharged. There we go. And we're charging. Oh wow, that's a lot of dirt.